I'm June with the North Carolina Transportation Museum, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own bubble solution. Let's get started. So what you're going to need for your bubble solution is some dish soap. Dawn works best. Some glycerin. Now if you don't have glycerin at home, you can use corn syrup, and then you'll need water. All right, so you're gonna need a container with 3 cups of water. So I already have 2 in there. I'm gonna add my 3rd cup of water. All right, and now you need a 1/2 cup of your dish soap. Now what works best is if you make this the day before, you're going to want to use your bubble mix. It needs to sit overnight. You can use it the day of, but it just works better if you wait. All right, so there's my 1/2 cup of Dawn soap. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Like I said, if you don't have glycerin, you can use corn syrup. And if you use the corn syrup, you would need a 1/4 cup of that. So there is my solution. We're going to mix it. You want to mix it up good. All right, that's it. Now you're going to let it sit, and then you'll have an awesome bubble solution. So if you don't have any bubble wands at home, you can make your own. I use pipe cleaners, or you could use 2 straws and a piece of string, and you can make huge bubbles, which is a lot of fun. So just string and 2 straws. And I have my bubble solution that has set overnight. And let's see how it works. Yay! Now you can go outside and have tons of fun. Look at this awesome star bubble wand. Can we make star bubbles? Nope, just round. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, wow. Well, there you have it. You just made your very own bubble solution. Now I'm gonna go get some paper towels because I've made a mess. You should try this outside.
Continue to learn at home with other great videos from the North Carolina Transportation Museum on Facebook, YouTube, and nctrans.org. The North Carolina Transportation Museum in Spencer is the museum that moves you.